Hello and good morning, my dear students. Today is 21st of April, and today we discuss about noun, pronoun, and adjective so on. My dear students, as we learned in previous classes, parts of speech consist 8 kinds. And all 8 kinds knowing by their functions and its uses. My dear student, today is the time to know about the first kind, noun, its second kind, pronoun, and so on, adjective. My dear students, noun is nothing but a name. Dear students, if you take a little bit information about noun, then you can say easily that a noun is a naming word. My dear student, naming words means you can easily handle it by your parents. Your parents gives you a name that is known by your identity. My dear student, all the name is known as noun. It's another definition as I mentioned here. A noun is the name of a person or a creature, places, things, a quality or a state of mind. We can say a concept is also including as a noun. My dear students, if you pay your good attention here, then you can feel that noun consists as a persons. We can say boy, girl, father, mother, etc. As a creature, you can easily understood that creatures are living things. And living things are such examples like fish, sparrow, tiger, elephant. As a places, you can easily understand about now Chanchaku, Delhi, Mumbai, and those places where you live now. As a things, you can easily understood. Things means what? What you kept in your houses, what you kept in your households. Dear students, pen, book, coat, shirts, all those things which you use in your daily life. As a qualities, you can easily take it bravery, honesty, beauty, anger. These all are nouns. And if you talk about as a concept, the noun as a concept, consider that democracy, death, socialism, these all are mentioned as a noun. My dear student, next kind, according to parts of speech, as a pronoun. What do you mean by pronoun? If somebody asks you, please tell me what is pronoun, then don't be afraid about this type of question. You can understand by your teacher a noun or a word which stands in place of a noun. What it means? Means just look at here. This is one thing, stay here as a noun. This is one thing, stay as a word. If you take it and put it, then this is called pronoun. Understood? Okay. Let's go. Then a word which stands in place of a noun is called pronoun. Dear student, here I just put some examples like Ram, Shyam, Mohan. These are nouns. But if you put he instead of Ram, Shyam, Mohan, then he is mentioned as a pronoun as right here. Sita, Geeta, Rama, these are also a name of girls. If you put C instead of these type of nouns, then C is called pronoun. My dear student, as well as table and insects, these are also a noun. And if you put eat instead of these type of nouns, then eat is also known as pronouns. My dear student, now we should understand about its uses in some such type of translations. Keep your mind on my pen and copy. I just took one example. Ram is a good boy. In Hindi, Ram एक अच्छा लड़का है. My dear student, Ram has a lots of qualities, and if somebody wants to explore it, then it can be written as he is an intelligent boy. Ram is not only good boy, he is also an intelligent boy. Then he is considered as a pronoun of this sentences. My dear student, next example is Sita is a beautiful girl. Sita is a beautiful girl. Sita, here Sita is a noun. But if you put another quality behalf of Sita, then she is a gentle girl. Then she is what? She is nothing but a pronoun. My dear student, next example, ants are intelligent insects. You all know very well, ants are intelligent. And if you put in another information about ant, then it found mostly in black and red in color. Then it here uses as a pronoun. My dear student, next kind is adjective. And what is adjective? My dear student, an adjective qualifies a noun or pronoun. If you put your mind to my copy, then you look at here noun and pronoun that we are discussed already in few minutes ago. What is noun? Noun is a name. Pronoun, the name that is used instead of a noun. Then those type of words already mentioned in your mind. And if a word qualifies these type of word, then that is called an adjective. Or we can say, when a word adds something, add means what? To put something. Noun or pronoun, then it is called adjective. Let's take some examples. Dinkar is a nice poet. We all know very well Dinkar is a nice poet. Here nice put some information about Dinkar, then nice is an adjective. She considers me wise. She considers me wise means she considers me wise. These wise words considered she is what? Buddhiman. So wise is knowing as adjective. The girl is intelligent. Intelligent is what? Intelligent means tej. Girl is an intelligent that express these type of word, and that is called adjective. We take a lots of information. Next class, keep learning. Please pay your good attention. Thank you very much.